Hello and welcome to this session about the upgrade to SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 12 SP1 and the specifics you need to know when upgrading from SUSE 11 and having already a SAP Business One installation in Linux. So let's start with the upgrade and come to the specifics later. So we will choose here after booting from the DVD the upgrade option. All right. So let's continue with the upgrade. So I will agree here with the license terms and say next. And I also will continue with the network settings here. So I will just say next. And the existing SUSE 11 SP4 installation is found. So I will say next. Okay. So here's already an option to register. I will register later, so I will skip the registration for now. I will now also skip the add-on installation. And now this is quite important now. So we cannot just click here on update. Otherwise our Business One installation, all the components installed in SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 11 will be deleted. No worries. If you already upgraded to SUSE 12, the database, the SAP Business One databases and the SAP HANA will not be affected. It's only the SAP Business One Components. So therefore, before we continue now, I would like to show you the top resolutions guide, formerly known as top fixes. So have a quick look before continuing here. All right, so here in the SAP Partner Edge, we have an asset uploaded, the SAP Business One 9.2 patch 8 top resolutions document, also formerly known as the top fixes. And if we download it, we get a PowerPoint presentation as a PDF. And if we scroll down a bit, so for page 8, we can find actually on the second page, which is here page 5 of the whole document, an important correction: install the system package before installing patch 8 version for HANA on SUSE 12. So let's have a look in here. And here you can see a description in screenshots how to continue. There's also a subnode reference. So if we scroll down here at the bottom of the node, so here in this section we can find also a tutorial how to proceed with the upgrade. So first of all, we booted the server from the DVD, right? We did that. We choose the upgrade option in the menu, in the boot menu of the DVD. And then before doing the upgrade process now, we will do these 6 steps. So we go into the packages section and then also search for B1 and then right click that these all in the list should be protected, not modified. And we have also here some pictures for you in the current top resolutions guide, which also makes it easier to understand. So let's go there. So first of all, in this final summary of the installation settings, we will now go to the packages as described in here. So let's do so. And we need to search for B1. We do a right click here in this list and say all in the list, and then protect, do not modify, okay? Then we get a second screen, and in here we need actually to not delete, but we need to break here, to break the dependency. Yeah, we can also go back to the document. So here we search for B1 and then right click somewhere in the list and select all in the list as mentioned here on the right side, then protect all. Yeah, and then select the option that to break actually the dependency and click OK. Okay, need to repeat this here for the service layer as well as for Samba. There are some conflicts. We need to break them all. Okay, so they are all protected. You can see here the lock sign. Okay, and now we will say accept and continue. And now we can run the update. Okay, so we are now in SUSE Linux, and what I will do now is I will have a quick check on the version. So I will do a cat etc and then SUSE release, so you can see it's version 12 patch 1. As the next step, and this is also documented in the top resolutions guide, and we need to install a compatibility library of the libgcrypt. And to do so, we need to first go to the YAST, which is in System Tools, and go to the software repositories first. And this only works with a registered version of SUSE Linux. So we are going to add a repository, and this time we will select the extension and modules from the registration server. So you really need SUSE Linux to be registered, and then say next. And now we will look for the legacy module. Press enter. So and I agree and accept the license terms here. And say next. Now the legacy module is registering. So we're now done. What we can do now is that we will search now for the required library. We can have a quick look back in the top resolutions document or in the SAP note. So it's actually called libgcrypt. And you can see that there's the needed library still not installed, the compatibility version of the libgcrypt library 11. So we will accept this and continue and finish. Okay, now our existing Business One version, which is lower than patch 8, can now be upgraded successfully to patch 8, or use a SAP Business One version of patch level 8, which already has been upgraded in SUSE 11 and will now continue to run in SUSE 12 SP1, as the required library now exists. So thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.